What's up, everybody? We are back. Mojo and I are headed to Las Vegas today, and what's significant about Las Vegas is Mojo's never been there before.
Never.
So we're going to be sharing our settings and locations with you. It is November 5th, and what's important about that is it's Chuck's birthday today. So
oh, happy birthday, Chuck.
Yeah, let's get it.
Dog, let's go.
So yeah, this is the first time I'm actually going to Vegas to shoot long exposures. This will be a true photography trip, and you know, I'm hyped to, you know, that Mojo could join me.
Glad to be here, man. Alright guys, we made it to Vegas. Nah, just kidding. We're at another charging port.
Vegas!
Paul, where the hell are we right now, bro?
Just getting a little exercise.
Where? Oh no.
Somebody got some
Dude.
pancakes.
Pancakes. We're going to the strip right now. About to make some magic.
So we're trying to get a spot, a good vantage point down here, and it's not easy.
Not at all.
We're breaking the law right now, actually. We pull up on this crazy little intersection. We're just gonna get some stuff right here. We don't care.
We might as well. I mean, we're kind of isolated here. There's nobody. Check this out. Look at this. What more could you want?
We're at the intersection of looks like Las Vegas and Harmon. So we're on the corner of Las Vegas and Harmon right now. It's a really crowded intersection. My settings are at 10 seconds, 6.3 f-stop, but I have a neutral ND on that's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stops. So it's an ND6, but it's okay. I'll show you the shot right now. So we don't really like this location. We're moving to another one. Just packed up, and we think the next one's gonna be the spot. So let's go. Some people in Vegas are not happy about the vaccines, so they're protesting right now. Anti-vaxxers. So we found a new spot. It's still hectic out here. There's people everywhere, there's protests going on, and there's just a lot of chaos in general. So we're trying to get shots. What do you think, Mojo?
We're trying to make it happen.
Right now we're on the corner of Las Vegas Boulevard and Bellagio, right, basically catty corner from the Paris. And it's all right. There's just a few too many people out here, but we're trying to figure it out. So my settings are a 5-second exposure, f22, and the ISO is still at 100. Mojo. These people are wildly insane. We just want to take some pictures. These people are making it really hard for us. All right, so we made it to the Bellagio fountains. We don't really know what our settings are because the water hasn't started going yet, but we got a pretty cool spot. We're right here, and yeah, we'll share our settings as we get in the middle of it, but shouldn't be too different than what we've been doing already. But
Should be okay.
excited, I've never shot these, and here they go.
Kaleidoscope by the Beatles, dude.
So we just finished at the Bellagio fountain, and we're gonna move on a little bit more. Which way is that? That's north. We're going to the north. And we're gonna do a few more long exposures on the strip, but yeah, we're out of here. We're on to the next spot. We're drained. This place is getting the best of us. There's so many people out here. There's so many noises. It's super hard to focus, and we're trying to like hang in there, but we're on the struggle bus.
And another thing, anytime we have a shot, there's people just jumping in the way, disrespecting the camera. Mojo's pissed.
We're both pretty pissed. We're on the bridge right now, and we're looking for a good viewpoint, vantage point, and we're getting it.
We'll find the way. We will find the way.
So we found a little spot here. We're on the Caesar's Palace Bridge. There's a little nook here with no glass. So we're trying to get a shot down the strip from here. First thing I'm doing is leveling my tripod. Second thing is gonna find my exposure and f-stop, which I'll put on the screen for the shots. And that's really it. Let's do it. It's a cool shot. The main thing is the traffic needs to move. The traffic doesn't move. Like right now, it's a dud shot. But if we can get that traffic to flow, wow, this is a wild shot. It looks a lot better than I thought. But as soon as this traffic starts flowing, it's gonna be pretty powerful. So it's tight quarters here, so I'm gonna move my camera out. Mojo's gonna step in and do his thing. Freaking tired. Vegas is chewing us up, spitting us out, but we're going downtown. We want to get a little more before we call it a night, so we have one more spot in this.
Staying strong.
All right, so we made it downtown. It's looking good out here. There's a sign behind us, right there, I think. But we're gonna pop a few shots up at this thing and see what happens. It's all fun and games out here. So we're out here downtown. It's a little crowded. People are making friends with Mojo.
Dude, everybody's coming up to me like, you lied earlier and said, yeah, this guy's a famous YouTuber, and now the whole town believes it.
Yeah. So we're just down here doing our thing. We're shooting the El Cortez Hotel right now, which is one of my favorite hotels. And we're just kind of lurking around this area. There's a nice Vegas sign, I think right above me. Yeah. And there's like a little high heel shoe. We're gonna go over there in a minute and get that. But we love it down here. We're happy. It's chaotic, but it's way less chaotic than what we experienced earlier. So yeah. So about my settings, I'm on an ND6, 30-second exposure, and a 14 f-stop. Those are my settings. It's a little brighter out here, so I had to put the ND on, and just to make sure I get a lot of light trails in the frame. So yeah, everything's going good. We're probably gonna move on pretty soon and finish up here. But how do you like Vegas, Mojo?
It's hectic, but I like it. I want to come back like on a Tuesday where there's not a lot of people and check it out. But it's Vegas. There's rednecks. There's people from the hood out here. There's a lot of fucking cops. It's a melting pot. It's fun. I like it. Downtown Fremont, baby.
So this is the Fremont experience. I think this is our last location of the night. Our settings are 30 seconds at an f14 ISO 100. Well, that's it for us, you guys. We're gonna share our settings and our shots with you now. Thanks for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe,
and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.